we have made it to Gabe Farrell's show.
Is it Gabe's bike?
Maybe.
Gabe should have bought his bike.
This might be his bike. Who knows? Yeah, he got these.
Should have parked it closer to him.
Nope, not his bike. But this is a pretty cool bike. Yeah. It's not his bike, but it's a pretty cool bike. Yeah, no, these are some pretty cool trucks. They're both from bags, so they're not. This is not sponsored or anything, but just.
Gives him to me.
Bruh. Hey, Tyler can blur it out. Are you gonna be like this?
I wonder if he has subcabs.
He does have subcabs. Bruh. 6'7". But look how big this guy's tip is on his exhaust. I need to put his exhaust tip on. You got a any level over there. Yeah, I already got Gabe. Gabe signed my shirt. Gabe signed this shirt, and then you got Gabe that signed it, Jade, and Brian. Oh yeah, Corbin also got his phone signed by Gabe and Jade. I can't speak. This is what my mom wants to do with her car. She wants to put like lights on there. A CA, a GTR, and then you got a C7 Rex. My mom wants to, my dad wants to do carbon fiber fenders. You got a red C8. Where's my dad? Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Carbon fiber.
But yeah, there's a, I don't know which one, Audi. And Gabe's booth is literally almost out there. Yeah. I just can't believe it. This is like the exact place that Gabe stepped in. But I'm not gonna. Yeah. Bunch of NASCARs have been here. You guys are going to see the 8-door. Yep, here's Gabe's stuff. The 8-door. So you got the 8-door. I don't know what that is. You got Grandpa Fade, the giveaway truck, which you guys should go and enter to win. Then you got Gabe's stuff. You got Jade and her kid. Yeah.
Yeah. No, blacked out.
And they're in front of the 8-door and this. Bro, the 8-door is the badge. And the 8-door is, this is what Gabe wants to make the world's biggest truck. Well, we're at a Gabe Farrell truck meet and walking around. This is cool. See these around. Indeed, do not. This one
Oh, he's missing his.
We talk about your work, how your boss is a jerk. We talk about your church and your head when it hurts. We talk about the troubles you've been having with your brother, about your daddy and your mother and your crazy ex who are with. We talk about your friends and the places that you've been. We talk about your skin and the devils in your chin, the polish in your toes and the run and your holes. And
Here's
God
Jake's
knows we
Indian
don't
level
talk
that
about
she
that.
just got.
We're talking about you.
Oh yeah, the 8 door. Got the 8 door and got that big thing. I don't know what to do now. Hey, now you can't look at the sauce pipe. Bro's got a sauce pipe like the mailbox. Hey, now you can't. This truck's so sick. I got Gabe Farrell, the sun, my t-shirt.
What do you got to say to the people? Do you think they should go to a Gabe Farrell meet?
Yeah. Hey, if you didn't make it to this one, I bet he's gonna do another one. Well, this dude just probably bought everything at a store and is reselling it. Yeah, he said he's reselling it.
There's a mailbox for some sauce.
It's good. It's like 0.5.
That's right. Sorry, one. Yo, what happened?
No idea what's
Where did he blow up?
How many times did you blow up the same truck?
One more time. Yeah, this time what?
They gon' bang for me. Yeah, I saw my ass out in public. You do the same shit if you came from nothing. I made it out, niggas say I got lucky. I'm doing my thing, only God can judge me.
Bitch wanna fuck, but she know I ain't budging. Fucking my cousin, my low, we be thugging. Make my first quarter from flipping the buckets. My Rick cost a quarter, this underwater. Honeycomb came with Arabia dial. My jello be dripping Arabia style. Now ain't it I running, they ate up the dab. Little bitch wanna fuck me, this dick got a tab. Blue Benjamin cook up a brick with the Richie. Bitch twerk on that dick like she Nicki and Iggy. No love for no bitches like Drizzy and Shiggy. My money come neat like it's straight out the biz ain't. Yeah, 30 round popping out the biz ain't. A Cuba links of water on my neck, you can trizz ain't. Yeah.